Subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to never miss an update from Kautilya's Fincast.
Welcome to Kautilya's Fincast for 1st to 10th September 2021. Let's begin with the corporate news. The Tata Group is against slashing import duties on electric vehicles as demanded by electric car maker Tesla, mentioning that the move goes contrary to the centre's FAME policy. Amazon aims to hire more than 8,000 jobs across 35 Indian cities. These job opportunities are spread across corporate, customer services, operations, and technology roles. The recall campaign is being initiated to rectify faults that may be potential safety defects, and the company will undertake replacement of the affected parts free of cost. PNB alleged that there were irregularities in the revival plan in its plea, which puts at risk the airline's plan to resume operations after being grounded for 2 years. India is the third largest unicorn system in the world with 51 startups that are valued at $1 billion or above, following the USA and China with 396 and 277 unicorns respectively. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited has created a separate platform for its LPG business that runs the Union government's subsidized domestic cooking gas cylinder scheme. Infosys has launched a SaaS product called Infosys Equinox to help enterprises add personalized omni-channel commerce experiences and stay competitive with new digital startups. In the first quarter of this fiscal year, after the moratorium on fresh insolvency filings was lifted, nearly 10 new corporate insolvency cases were filed every week. Now let's begin with the market news. Rupees 1,12,020 crores of gross GST revenue was collected in August. The revenues for the month of August 2021 are 30% higher than the GST revenues in the same month last year. India's economic growth reached a record 20.1% in the June quarter, despite the impact of the second wave of the COVID-19. Analysts have said vaccination coverage remains crucial to sustain recovery. ISMA urges to immediately raise the minimum selling price of sugar from 31 to 35 rupees per kg to avoid shortage. Increase in production cost by 10 to 15%, making it difficult to make the payment. E-commerce platform Snapdeal is assessing an IPO that could raise about USD 300 to 400 million. In the early stages of assessing an IPO and potential listing that could value Snapdeal at about USD 2 to 2.5 billion. In equities, FPI invested just Rs 2,082 crores, while the debt segment saw an inflow of Rs 14,376 crores between 2 to 31st August. Digital payments and financial firm Paytm announced its wholly owned subsidiary Paytm Money is launching a wealth and investment advisory marketplace on its platform to offer curated advisory services and products. Accelerating preparation to bring upon in the IPO of insurance behemoth Life Insurance Corporation by March 2022, the Department of Investment and Public Asset Management. Funds raised through corporate bonds increased to Rs 49,848 crores in August against Rs 30,080 crores in July. The fundraising in August is the highest by companies since the start of financial year 2022. Let's begin with the economic news. Traffic on Indian roads is expected to increase 14% this year as Asia's third largest economy recovers from the worst of the pandemic. Last quarter saw traffic surge 57% from a year earlier, when 3 consultants from Arthur Andersen LLP set out to build a digital payments company at the turn of the millennium. The first institutional backer they found was an Indian state-run lender. Invest India's CEO Deepak Bagla said that India is number 3 in the world in terms of number of unicorns, second in the number of startups, and stands first in the number of startups added every day. Commerce Secretary BVR Subramaniam exuded confidence that given the robust growth so far, the country will achieve the ambitious export target of $400 billion for financial year 2022. India has pitched for an early outcome of the TRIPS waiver proposal for COVID-19 vaccines, therapeutics, and diagnostics in the World Trade Organization, an official release said on Saturday. The union government's net direct tax collection rose 95% on year to Rs 3.7 lakh crore till September 2 of the current fiscal year. Ford India on Thursday announced the halting of vehicle manufacturing in India, but will continue its presence in the country through imports of global vehicles and electrified products. Agricultural experts said that rains are now helping oilseed crops like soybean and groundnut pulses, but if the rains continue till the end of September, then it will damage crops. UK-based Cairn Energy plc on Tuesday said that it will drop litigations to seize Indian properties in countries ranging from France to the US within a couple of days, getting a $1 billion refund resulting from the scrapping of a retrospective tax law.